Okay, I just got done trimming, stringing them up, taping them up, a lot of airflow. All the plants are looking good. No sign of disease or anything like that. No bugs, no insects. It's early in the season, and that's going to probably change. But for right now, time to take a siesta. Oh, that was good. Wake me up when they're fully grown and got tomatoes all over them. Oh, wow. Ugh, I fell asleep. How long I've been sleeping? Oh, wow, check it out. They weren't like that before I went to sleep. Look at all these tomatoes. Holy crap. Wow, they're ripe too. Look at that. Man, am I dreaming? They weren't like that. What happened? Come on, somebody's pranking me over here. What happened? Holy cow. Wow. They're not real. Are these real? Wow. They look real. Oh man. They're definitely real. Oh wow. Holy cow. What the heck just happened? It's gotta be a dream. They were only about this tall. Then I dozed off. What happened? I don't know, but I'm enjoying this dream. Oh man. Oh wow. Oh wow. Man, if this is a dream, that's unreal. I wonder what happened if I go back to sleep. What happened when I wake up again? Huh.